Good afternoon, everyone. I'm delighted to be able to address this first annual meeting of the Baltic Institute of Corporate Governance, and I join you in honoring Prime Minister Kubilius of Lithuania and Prime Minister Dombrovskis of Latvia for all they are doing to reform state-owned enterprises and to build vibrant 21st century economies. The transformation of the Baltic region over the past 2 decades is remarkable. You have shown a commitment to democracy and expanding economic opportunities that is truly transforming your communities and countries. I share with all of you the belief that transparent corporate governance is essential to stable finance markets and sustainable economic growth. It helps prevent corruption and attract the businesses and investments required to help economies grow. Your work to reform state-owned enterprises sends a strong message, not only across the region, but the world, about the importance of transparency and accountability. As you continue to grow even stronger economies and increase opportunity, please know that the United States stands with you. Thank you all very much.